Hello, I'm Vivian. Today I'm going to share how to make a big tree leaf. Prepare 2 or 3 long green balloons. Stretch and inflate it. Reserve 5-finger width at the tail. Knot it. Massage it from beginning to end. Make a 3-finger wide ring bubble. Pull this knot out. Make 2 same ring bubbles. The second one. The third one. Adjust them. 1, 2, 3. OK. Make a little single bubble. Make a ring bubble of 4-finger width. Make another ring bubble of 4-finger width. Follow this step, a small single bubble and 2 ring bubbles. If you want to make bigger leaves, add more balloons. Connect it any way you want. And then keep going. It looks a little messy right now. It doesn't matter. Put it on the table and adjust it. Our leaf is completed. Follow me for more balloon design.